Today I'm going to talk about the similarities and differences in artificial turf for playgrounds.
Playground turf is an ideal choice for schools, public parks, recreation centers, daycares, and backyards.
Great Mats offers 3 playground turf products: the Countryside Deluxe, Traffic Blade Silver and Playtime.
Countryside Deluxe has a 1.5-inch pile height.
It is soft and comfortable with a natural grass look. It is excellent for landscaping and playgrounds.
Traffic Blade Silver also has a 1.5-inch pile height.
It has a long-lasting surface with great memory. It is made from a 4-color blend that resembles a natural lawn. Lastly, we have Playtime. Playtime has a 1.25-inch pile height, and features a ChargeGuard coating which reduces static electricity to help prevent static shock.
It is the top choice for playgrounds. All of these feature polyethylene and polypropylene yarns with a thatch for better memory, which reduces the amount of infill needed. They all have a dual-layered polypropylene backing with silverback polyurethane coating. The silverback coating secures each yarn fiber, creating a strong bind. All 3 of these products are great options for playgrounds.
They are a soft turf that is made for high-foot traffic areas. They can be paired with a layer of foam padding underlayment to create an even safer and softer playground that is fall height rated. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Great Mats team through phone or live chat.
Thank you.